Hi everyone, it's Jill with Greenwood Girl Cards. I'm back again. It's my second video on this Friday night. I just shared a video showing this wonderful flower die from Impression Obsession, and I created a bunch of things with it, and I shared them in my last video. So if you haven't seen that one, you might want to go take a peek. And then I'm coming on to actually share a couple cards that I made, as well as some lovely happy mail that I got from Patty O'Malley. Patty is over on Instagram, and I will link her down below. I opened the envelope, Patty, but I haven't opened anything yet, so I'm going to go ahead and unwrap this beautiful package. I love this trim that you wrapped everything in. It's so pretty. Look at this, you guys. It's a beautiful lace with pink and it's a white trim, but the pink edge is so pretty, and I love the little flowers. So I love how you wrapped that in lace, and it's so fun as crafters to get trims. And then in here she's got a bag full of goodies. So let's open this up because I see a card in here too, and I'll slip all this out. Oops. And let's see what we have. So this says Jill. Let me read this really quick. That's a beautiful note card. Look at all the beautiful blues. Lovely flowers on this, hydrangeas. Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, she says these crocheted items were made by her son's girlfriend partner. So she makes these. These are beautiful. Oh, it's a spot. Look at this, you guys. So she does this, and then she puts these beautiful wraps on them. Machine washable, gentle cycle, machine dry on low, and this one's a head wrap. Oh, I totally want to open it up. Let's see if I can slip it out of here. Oh, how fun. Oh, I'm totally going to wear that this summer in the garden just to keep my hair back when I'm gardening. That's beautiful. So then you just tie this, you know, you can tie it around your head to keep your hair back. That is beautiful. Oh, I love that idea. And it's also great for when you're washing your face or doing a mask. So that is wonderful. And I love this pretty blue color. And then this is a little washcloth. So let's take that out and look at it. And I love making washcloths out of these cotton yarns. They're so nice, and they last a long time. And they're really nice for rubbing on your face, and just because they're a little bit of an exfoliator in my opinion. But that is just beautiful, and I love this pretty blue color. And then what does this one say? Oh, this one is little face scrubbies. So this is Yarn is Love by Lisa, and she's a fiber arts enthusiast. So, and let's see if it has her information. It's Lisa Griffith, and there's her information, yarnislovebyLisa@gmail.com, and there's her Etsy shop. Oh, that's wonderful. I'm so glad to have this. So Lisa Griffith, and she made all these, and then these are little face scrubbies. You see, so that's perfect. Oh, I love those. That's a neat idea. I've never made these before. So I'm totally going to try those out tonight. Oh, these are wonderful. Thank you so much, Patty. That's so sweet of you to share her information with me too. So, oh, I love this idea. And I love how she packages everything up with the cute little belly bands. So she's got little flowers on them. It's just so sweet. And she says 100% cotton, so she's using the good cotton yarns. And that's her little card. I just love that. So I'm going to keep this all together so I don't lose it. I don't want to lose her information. And then she goes on to say, so those were done by her son's girlfriend, Lisa. And Lisa is trying to start her own small business. That's wonderful, Lisa. So you've gained me as a customer. That is wonderful, Patty, that you were one of her customers, and I will be a customer too. Oh my goodness. And she's telling me about her package a little bit in her, I'm just reading her card, you guys. So thank you, Patty. And no, I haven't. And I can't wait to look at it. Oh, and look at, she sent me this card. Oh my gosh, you guys, when she posted this for Saturday Morning Makes, I just fell in love with this image. And I was able to find it because it's one that I did not have in my stash, and I found it on eBay. But you know, I love angels. I'm so excited you sent this to me, Patty. Oh my gosh. It's so fun to get cards from friends, and I just got a beautiful card and package from Sue too. And Sue and Patty are the sweetest ladies, you guys. So I'm so blessed by your friendship. You know, I love sharing creativity with everybody, but it's the friends that I've made that make my heart full. And I just am so appreciative of everybody. But look at this beautiful card, you guys. Patty has some, oh, what do you call this? The cotton stuff that you tuck in. Oh my gosh, you guys, I can't think of it. It'll come to me. Anyway, she has that tucked in behind here. She has a pretty lace with some really sweet buttons. I love the size of these buttons, and the profile of them is a little bit thinner than some of the ones I have. That's really nice. I wish the button industry would make buttons specifically for crafting that are a little bit thinner. I just think they could do really well with that. And then look it up here. She has lace and fabric tied, 2 different types of trim, and then another border of the lace. And then the die that she used has the stitched edging going around. And I just love how you colored the sweet angel and added the glitter to her wings. That is just the sweetest image. Oh, this is just beautiful. And she's edged the edge of the card. And then she says, Dear Jill, made especially for you. Thank you for all you do in inspiring us as crafters and choosing joy. Big hugs, Patty. Oh, thank you, Patty. And I love how you use the outside of your die cut on the inside of the card. Very, very good use. I love that. It sort of makes it look like, you know, it just makes it look so together. I love that. So beautiful. And then look at on the back. She has this little stamp that says From the Heart, 2021, Patty O'Malley. So, oh, Patty, thank you. You know, all the cards are so sweet. I am so blessed by your friendship. And I'm honored that you sent that to me. And thank you so much for sharing Lisa's shop also. And then look at this package. So she has this wrapped, and look at what's tucked in here, you guys. Oh my gosh, I totally want to play with the bunny again, you guys, even though it's not Easter time. I think you could use the bunny all year. And I totally think I'm going to use it at Christmas because it's just too cute. So I saw this. This was another post that Patty did for Saturday Morning Makes. And she's got 2 sizes of the bunny. This is from, these 2 are from the photopolymer set. And the photopolymer set comes with this little skirt or apron that she can wear. And the 2 sizes of the bunny. And this is just adorable. I love these papers, Patty. I don't know what papers those are. But that dusky blue, I'm just really into blues lately. Blues and purples, and I don't know. I just am really into blues lately. So this says Handmade by Patty O'Malley. And just a beautiful, look at this color seam binding. It's almost like a smoky purpley blue. I love that. Oh my gosh. I love seam binding. I don't have very many colors, but I love it. It's just so pretty. And you can dye seam binding really easily, which makes it a lot of fun. I need to tea dye some. But this is just lovely. I love this tag. I will treasure this. I'm going to put this up on my windowsill in the kitchen so I can see it. And then she sent this. She said she bought this. She's hoping I don't have it, and I can tell you right now, Patty, that I don't. What's really funny is I have looked at this and wanted to get it, and I just keep waiting to find it on sale, and it hasn't happened yet because I'm not a very good shopper. Oh, and you stamped me some. You're so sweet. Oh my gosh. If I'd known you were going to do that, I wouldn't have looked for it. Oh my goodness. Well, maybe I can share these too with anyone else. If anyone else would like some of these, I could send them out. But isn't this just the sweetest image? Oh, it's just adorable. I'm so happy. Oh my goodness. All right. And then look at what she sent. Oh my goodness. So this is the Tim Holtz Christmas paper pad 8x8, which I think is the only size he's doing now, if I remember correctly. And I'm trying to see if this is, I think this is this one is, I think, from 2017, it says. I don't know. But, oh my gosh, look at how pretty it is. Look at that. So these you could cut apart, but it's a piece of paper, but you could also cut it apart and use the sentiments. Oh, I totally want to open it so I can show you. Let's see if I can, do I have a scissor? Oh my goodness, you guys. I should have done this before maybe, but I hadn't opened it yet. So let's see if I can, oh, that's not going to help me. You never have what you need when you're on camera. Let's see if I can just give it a little, there we go. You just got to get it started and then it'll rip. There we go. Okay, oh my goodness, you guys. I just want to show this because it's so beautiful. So look at this plaid. Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. I love the kind of light pale blue with the gray and the red. That's wonderful for Christmas, isn't it? And then the back side, I'm gonna see if I can get this in between the two. There we go. So the back side is like an aqua snowflake pattern. So just gorgeous. Then you have this beautiful type, which, you know, it just has all different words on it. A Christmas tree walking in a winter wonderland. I just love that. Oh my goodness, I love that. And then on the back side is this red plaid, red and black. Oh, that's just gorgeous. And I love the distressing on this. It's so wonderful. Oh my goodness. And then look at this berry one. Look at that. Just gorgeous. I love that. This is photorealistic with the pine fronds and the berries. Really pretty. And then a really lovely black striped pattern. And those are almost like a vintage fabric to me. Really pretty. And then we have this kind of cranberry colored polka dot with distressing. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. He just does the most beautiful papers. And then we have a black and white check. I love that. Oh my goodness. These two together, can you imagine a card? Look at that. That'd be such a great combo. All of his papers work really well together, and you know, so it's really fun when you're designing cards. Look at this one with the red in it. Oh my gosh, I love that. I love plaids. And then you have, on the back side of that one, you have the type in white. So again, you can cut these out, you know, use your paper trimmer and slice them into strips and use them on your cards. I just love these plaids. And then look at that. A beautiful, beautiful floral print. Almost like a damask or something, or a, that's not the right word. And then this is like a dot pattern with diamonds. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at this. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I love the aqua background for this holly berry. I love the color aqua at Christmas. Aqua red, black, green, white. I just love that combo. Then we have the cranberry stripe, ticking stripe. And then you switch to a red and black plaid. Oh, gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful. And then we have the beautiful floral print here. And this is almost like a tile. Oh, I love that. And then you have a more of a deep green polka dot with distressing. Then we have this pattern on the back. Really nice. I like that. And then here's another berry with the greenery and more of like a snowy background. So that's really fun. Oh, and look at that. Oh, beautiful wood print. Oh, that's wonderful. Oh, this is a gorgeous pad, Patty. Oh my goodness. And then we have an aqua tile print that looks like snowflakes. So just beautiful. And then the back of that one is these beautiful stars on an aqua background. And then you have this pattern with little cut-aparts in it. And it has all different December 25th and just a bunch of different images that you can, you know, cut out and use for little ornaments, for little card fronts, tags, anything you wanted to. So really fun ephemera. I love that. And then the back of that, you have this beautiful ticket pattern, or almost like a board game or something, and more of the things. So, oh, that is gorgeous. So This is, I'm trying to see, it says Christmas, Noel, Navidad, 8x8 designs, and does it say anything else? Here's the information on the back here. Okay, so I love his paper pads, and I think this is the only Christmas one I've ever gotten. I don't think I have any others. I am going to use this for tags and for Christmas this year. Patty, thank you so very much for gifting this to me. I'm very, very touched. So you know, Patty, you just floor me with everything that you sent. It's all beautiful, and I'm so happy that you shared Lisa's store and her crocheting with me too, her little washcloth and the headband. Just so sweet for you to gift those to me, and I can't wait to try them out. And again, this is her name, Yarn is Loved by Lisa. She's a fiber arts enthusiast, and her shop is called Yarn is Loved by Lisa on Etsy. Oops. Let me get that in camera, and it's Lisa Griffith. So I hope you'll go check out Lisa's store. Lisa, indirectly, thank you very much for the gift. And Patty, thank you for sending Lisa's beautiful stuff to me in this gorgeous, gorgeous blue color. I love it. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for taking a look at my video. I hope you guys will join in for Saturday Morning Makes tomorrow morning. I am excited to share what I'm going to share tomorrow. I started on some projects this afternoon. I will finish them up hopefully later tonight or early in the morning and get my video up. But I'm really excited to share what I'm going to share, and it's part of the items that I purchased in the month of May. Okay, and I haven't shared them with you yet. I held them so that I could do it all together on Saturday Morning Makes. So join in the fun. I hope to see you tomorrow. Everybody have a good night. All right, choose joy. Bye.